What's going on YouTube? Yasashii here, bringing you another miniature painting video. We are back with the second form of Auril the Frostmaiden. And before I show off the miniature, I just want to say this is another Yasashii Kyojin design. Link to my manufacturers down below. And also just want to wish everybody a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas, as Christmas is in a few days from when this video goes live. So, yeah, happy holidays, everybody. Got some presents actually right here, because at the time of recording, tree's not up, so... But, you guys are here for this figure, and how I'm going to paint it. So, when last you saw this figure, it was primed gray. Well, I have went over it with Vallejo's Dead White, and I think it looks pretty good. The reason we're doing this is I watched a YouTuber. One second so I can find their name. Okay, I'm back. Adventures Pack on YouTube. I will put their channel down. They have a how to paint ice effects video that I followed, and I'm like, this is going to be amazing since I don't have like translucent colors. But so one thing I will say, it's not just gonna be all the ice effect, but we'll go over that. So for starters, I'm going to add one more layer of Dead White on camera because it needs it in some spots. Then we're going to take Ghostly Blue. The color that Adventures Pack used was the Void Shade Blue, and we're basically going to make a wash with it. And then we're going to cover the entire model in it. Now, after that's done, we'll go back to the Dead White and kind of do some white highlights, probably heavily on the weapon, the arms, some of the spikes. But then I'm going to take Elven Armor here from Army Painter, and I'm going to do these rings around her waist, because I think that'll really help those stand out. And I almost want to say I'm going to do the horns in matte black, and then do a dry brushing with the Vallejo Stonewall Gray, just like I did with the actual figure. Or, yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Maybe. We'll see. I haven't completely decided yet, but I think it's kind of cool that the horns are on this version. In Rime of the Frostmaiden, she does not have her horns when she goes to the second form. But I like that the kind of owl theme is kept throughout this Yasashii Kyojin design. Because even her mask is a little owlish. So yeah, not a lot of colors being used. Literally 3 that I know of, and maybe 5. So it shouldn't take too long, but it also might, because I'm going to have to let this next layer dry, create the wash, slather that on, do the highlighting, then the detail work with that, and then still, all while I'm doing this, decide what I want to do with the the horns and the dry brushing. So that is enough chit chat from me. I will see y'all when I'm done. Let's get to painting. we are back. The second form of the Frostmaiden is finished, but just want to say, if you've made it this far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment to let me know how I'm doing, and subscribe if you're not already. So, here she is in her beautiful AC glory. Again, I did not come up with this technique for ice. This was Adventurers Pack. You can find them on YouTube. I will link the video tutorial I followed down in the description below. And basically all you're doing is painting the entire model white, then taking this ghostly blue or Army Painter Void Shade. Is it Void Shade? It is Void Shield Blue, sorry. Nope, I just dropped that. I'll get it later. The Army Painter Void Shield Blue, and watering it way down to basically create almost like a glaze. Covering the whole model in that, then going back to your white, and doing some dry brushing. I did end up not painting the antlers black, because once it was done, I was like, wow, that just looks really good, and I felt like the black would distract from it. I did take Army Painter's Elven Armor and do the rings, and I like that. It just kind of adds a little bit to it. She's fallen off the stand here. I'm going to kill the light here so you guys can kind of see this. I did this off cam. Probably should have done it on cam, but I took some gouache varnish I had and went over the entire model of it to give it this icy kind of shimmering look. That was not in the tutorial, but it is in a comment, like the top comment on the video. Someone saying, hey, you should do that. Do a shine varnish over it. I'm like, oh, that sounds really smart. So I tried it and I loved how it came out. So super simple paint job to get an icy look. And I love it. I also did the same kind of basing I did with the first one. Except for this time I actually painted the top white. So that way if rocks or fake snow didn't show up on it, it looks like snow. Very cool. Really enjoy how this came out. Again, this is a Yasashii Kyojin design. See the snowflake on her chest really good there. It is artistic interpretation of what Auril looks like in her second form. This is my favorite form of the Frostmaiden. I don't know. This is my favorite version of this form. I will say that. But I really like the first form with the whole owl werebeast type thing that she's got going on. The final version is my least favorite, but I do like I do like the model that I will be presenting to you guys. So, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one. We will be back next week, not with the third form, but with the Discord community voted models. Definitely check that one out and join the Discord if you're not, because that's how you vote on that. But until then, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.